Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I will solve two problems of CSIR UGC NET. So the problem is of linear algebra. If you saw the first problem, A is a n cross n matrix Aij, n is always greater or equals to 3, and Aij, that is the ijth element, is given as bi square minus bj square. Ij is 1 to n. For some distinct real number b1, b2 up to bn, all are distinct real number, then we have to find the determinant of the matrix A. We have to find the determinant of the matrix A. The problem came in CSIR NET 2013. Okay, so let us consider, for the sake of simplicity, we consider A as a 3 cross 3 matrix. Then we write the matrix A as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, this is Aij. Now if we consider A11, that is nothing but b1 square minus b1 square. This cancels and it is 0. And if A12 is nothing but b1 square minus b2 square. A13 is nothing but b1 square minus b3 square. This is similarly b2 square minus b1 square. This is b2 square minus b2 square. This is b2 square minus b3 square. This element is b3 square minus b1 square. This is b3 square minus b2 square, and this is b3 square minus b3 square. Okay, the matrix comes in this form. Now these elements cancels out, and then we can write this matrix in this form. This first element is 0. Next is b1 square minus b2 square, b1 square minus b3 square. Now for in this case we take minus 1 common, then it comes b1 square minus b2 square. That is, this element and this element are exactly of opposite sign. This is b2 square minus b2 square is 0, and here also this is nothing but b2 square minus b3 square. Okay, this element, now here also we take minus 1 common, then it comes in the form b1 square minus b3 square, and here also we take minus 1 common, so it is b2 square minus b3 square, and this is 0. Okay, now if you look at this matrix is nothing but the element is exactly opposite, that is A12 is exactly the negative of A21. This type of matrix, we know that this type of matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. That is, for this type of matrix we get the A is equals to A transpose. Sorry, A is equals to minus of A transpose. So this matrix is called, so here A matrix is skew symmetric. Now for skew symmetric matrix, we know that for skew symmetric matrix, A, determinant of A is equals to 0. Okay, for skew symmetric matrix, determinant of A is equals to 0. So my option C is the correct option here. Okay, now we'll solve the problem 2. This is also a very important problem. So here M matrix is given, and we have to find the exponential of M, that is e to the power M is which of the following is correct statement. Only one option is correct here also. So to solve this type of problem, first we find the eigenvalue of the matrix M. So to find the eigenvalue of the matrix M, we find the determinant M minus lambda times I. So this determinant will be 1 minus lambda 1 1 1 1 minus lambda 1 1 1 1 minus lambda. Okay, M minus lambda times I is an identity matrix. So if we solve this determinant, this comes as 1 minus lambda times 1 minus lambda square minus 1 into 1 minus lambda minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus lambda. Okay, so here minus 1 plus 1 cancels, here minus 1 plus 1 cancels, so we solve it as 1 minus lambda into 1 minus twice lambda plus lambda square minus 1 minus plus lambda plus lambda. Okay, so this is equals to 1 minus lambda into this minus 1, this cancels, so lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda, so it is lambda square minus 2 lambda minus of lambda cube plus twice lambda square plus twice lambda, so this cancels, and this is comes minus of lambda cube plus 3 lambda square. Now to find the eigenvalue of this, we have to solve this is equals to 0. So if we solve this, so this comes as, if we take lambda square common, this is lambda minus 3 is equals to 0. So what we can write, lambda square is equals to 0 or lambda is equals to 3. Lambda square is equals to 0 means lambda is equals to 0 0 and lambda is equals to 3. So we get for this M is a 3 cross M, for this M3 cross 3 matrix, we get 3 eigenvalues of the matrix M. So we get 3 eigenvalue of the matrix M is 0 0 and 3. Now we check this which of the following equations satisfy these eigenvalues. So if we put e to the power 0 here, so it comes, e to the power 0 is nothing but one identity, so this is equals to I, so this comes as, this satisfies the eigenvalue 0. If we put 3 here, then for the option A, if we put 3, then e to the power 3 is equals to I is 1 here, for I is 1 here, so it is e to the power 3 minus 1 by 3 into 3, so 3 get cancelled, so 1 plus e to the power 3 minus 1, so it is equals to e to the power 3. So option A satisfies the eigenvalue, so my option A is the correct option. Since it satisfies the, if we put the eigenvalue in the place of the M, then it satisfies this equation, so option A is my correct option. And if we check the option B, so if we check option B whether it is correct or not, so it is e to the power 3. If we calculate this, 1 plus 3 square by 2, this is nothing, this does not comes in the form of e to the power 3, but if it is continuously coming in this form, then it will come in the form of e to the power 3. Okay, so option B is incorrect. Now if we check option C, we put a 3 in the place of M, so it is 1 plus 27 into 3, but this is not the value of e to the power 3, so it is 1 plus 81, so it is 82, but this is not the value of e to the power 3, so option C is also incorrect. And if we check option D say e to the power 3 is equals to 3 minus 1, sorry, e minus 1 into 3, so this is e minus 1 into 3, this is also not equals to this, so e to the power 3 is not equals to this, these are all not equals to this, so these three options B, C and D is incorrect, so my option A is the correct option here. Okay, thank you friend for watching my video.